From smart tech to everyday game changers, here are some of the coolest Amazon gadgets you need to see. Let's jump right in.
Next is this mesmerizing 3D Galaxy crystal ball, a stunning piece made from premium quality K9 crystal materials. Its interior designs are intricately carved using advanced technology, creating a captivating visual effect. When you rotate the crystal ball, the built-in vibrant LED lights project a breathtaking luminous pattern onto the ceiling, creating a celestial ambiance. With 16 color options and 5 dynamic lighting modes, you can customize the look to match your mood or space. Equipped with a remote control, you can easily switch it on or off and cycle through the various lighting modes for effortless enjoyment. Get ready for a cool and quirky hands-on experience with this wind-powered mini-strand base model. This clever kit offers the perfect blend of creativity, education, and entertainment, making it an engaging activity for both kids and adults. The kit comes complete and can be assembled in just about an hour, providing an exciting and interactive building experience. Once it's built, position it in front of a fan, let the breeze do its magic, or give the propeller a gentle push by hand, and watch as it starts to crawl in an oddly captivating way. It's a bit creepy, but totally mesmerizing. Perfect for sparking curiosity and exploration. Check out this impressive collection of 9 density cubes featuring a variety of different elements. Each cube measures 10 millimeters in diameter and boasts up to 99.99% lab-grade purity, making them perfect for educational purposes, scientific exploration, or even just as a unique conversation piece. These ultra-pure, high-quality density cubes are an eye-catching way to explore the properties of various elements. Whether for science enthusiasts, educators, or collectors, this set makes an unforgettable and truly impressive gift. Introducing the Ferret Plus, an advanced and highly versatile wireless inspection camera and cable pulling tool designed to make inspections easier, safer, and more efficient. This innovative device is equipped with built-in memory and a non-contact voltage detector, providing professionals with an all-in-one solution for a variety of tasks. With its integrated Wi-Fi hotspot, the Ferret Plus offers real-time live streaming with a wireless range of up to 40 meters, allowing users to inspect areas from a safe distance. One of the standout features of the Ferret Plus is its non-contact voltage detector, which ensures safe voltage measurements from well beyond arm's reach. Built for durability, this device comes with a rechargeable battery and has an IP67 rating, making it resistant to dust and water, perfect for tough job site conditions. With 8 GB of internal memory, the Ferret Plus can continue recording video even when you're out of Wi-Fi range. The camera captures stunning 1080p HD resolution images, ensuring crystal clear visuals for all inspections. Additionally, the in-app digital zoom offers detailed examination capabilities, allowing users to focus on even the smallest objects with ease. The always up mode ensures that all images are displayed properly, no matter the angle or position. Designed with professionals and DIY enthusiasts in mind, the Ferret Plus is a reliable, multifunctional tool that combines safety, convenience, and advanced technology into one sleek device. Say goodbye to the mess and hassle of old grease with the portable bearing packer from ABN, the ultimate tool for quick and efficient grease maintenance. Designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, this handy tool makes the removal of old grease and injection of fresh grease a seamless process. Using it is a breeze. Just fill it with regular grease from a standard grease gun, place the bearing inside, and press the white handle. This action pushes out the old grease while simultaneously injecting fresh grease into the bearing, making maintenance quick and effortless. The bearing packer can handle bearings up to 3.5 inches in size, giving it the versatility to work with nearly any bearing you'll find in your vehicle. Crafted from durable, high-quality plastic, this lightweight tool is built to withstand the demands of daily use while staying easy to transport. Whether you're heading to your garage or a busy work site, this tool offers the convenience and reliability you need for efficient and mess-free bearing maintenance. Introducing the RotoZip Scroll Saw, a powerhouse tool that combines strength, precision, and ease of use for all your cutting needs. Featuring a robust 5.5 amp motor, this saw can reach speeds of up to 30,000 revolutions per minute, giving it the ability to cut through even the toughest and most challenging materials with ease. Despite its impressive performance, it remains lightweight and comfortable to handle, offering the best power-to-weight ratio in its class. Designed with user convenience in mind, the quick power button allows for effortless one-handed operation, while dual grip zones ensure versatility for both horizontal and vertical cutting. Its ergonomic design fits snugly in your hand, providing superior control, while strategically placed vents keep debris away from your cutting line, ensuring maximum visibility and precision with every pass. The RotoZip scroll saw comes complete with 3 collets and 2 bits, so you're ready to tackle a variety of projects right out of the box. Whether you're working on intricate designs, heavy-duty cutting tasks, or DIY projects, this versatile and efficient tool is an essential addition to your workshop. Get ready to see science in action with this fire syringe, a fiery demonstration of Charles's law in motion. This seemingly simple piston and cylinder become the stage for an extraordinary show. Just place a tiny piece of cotton inside, apply a forceful downward slam with your hand, and watch as the increased pressure generates enough heat to ignite the cotton into flames. It's a spectacular and interactive way to explore the relationship between pressure, volume, and temperature, making it a must-have for curious minds and science enthusiasts. Say goodbye to back strain and hello to effortless maintenance with this must-have tool. The Mojack Elevator is a game-changing solution designed to make elevating your lawnmower a breeze for maintenance purposes. Not just limited to lawnmowers, this versatile tool is also perfect for ATVs, motorcycles, and other small vehicles. With the ability to lift up to 750 pounds, the Mojack Elevator offers unmatched reliability. Its adjustable track width can easily be customized to fit any lawnmower on the market, ranging from 31.5 to 62.5 inches, ensuring compatibility for all models. Designed with user convenience in mind, this lift can be operated with just one hand or even with an electric drill for added ease. Once your maintenance is complete, the Mojack Elevator folds up compactly, allowing for hassle-free storage that takes up minimal space. Whether you're working on a riding lawnmower, gardening equipment, or other small vehicles, the Mojack Elevator is a smart, time-saving, and health-conscious investment that combines convenience with efficiency. Say goodbye to messy sealant applications with this all-in-one solution. The Always CT31 tool is your go-to for effortless sealant removal, application, and finishing. Designed to streamline the process, this versatile tool makes quick work of removing old, dried sealant while ensuring a smooth, professional finish every time. Its sharp steel blades glide seamlessly along the seam, clearing away residue and prepping the surface for a fresh application. One of the standout features is the rotating silicone triangle with 3 adjustable profiles, narrow, medium, and wide, giving you precise control and accuracy regardless of the seam's width. To make cleanup even easier, the tool also features a specialized scraper at the end for swiftly removing any excess sealant. Compatible with acrylic, latex, and silicone sealants, the Always CT31 is the ultimate time-saving and all-purpose addition to your toolkit for any caulking or sealing job. Get ready to experience Frisbee magic with the Discraft UV Frisbee. This isn't just your ordinary Frisbee, it's a cool, color-changing wonder. With a diameter of 10.75 inches, it might look pretty standard at first glance, but here's the fun part. When exposed to sunlight, it transforms into a stunning shade of purple. The effect gets even more impressive when you shine a black light or UV flashlight on it, revealing the vibrant change in all its glory. Whether you're playing on a sunny afternoon or under special UV lighting conditions, this Frisbee adds a whole new level of fun to your game. Are you tired of smudges, streaks, and fingerprints ruining your painting projects? Say hello to the Sacker Paint Racks, the ultimate solution to make your door painting tasks smoother and stress-free. These innovative racks feature a unique eye-shaped design that completely transforms the way you paint doors. With these racks, you can effortlessly paint both sides of a door in a single session, saving time and eliminating unnecessary hassle. The best part? You can even stack multiple doors on top of each other to streamline the entire process. Getting started is as simple as removing the handles and hinges from your doors and attaching the posts to the corners, and you're good to go. The smart, ergonomic design makes flipping the doors a breeze, so you can easily switch sides without breaking a sweat. Built to last, these racks are not only strong and durable, but also versatile enough to handle a variety of tasks. Whether you're painting interior or exterior doors, door frames, casings, or even kitchen cabinets, these racks are your go-to solution for a quick, clean, and professional finish. The Sacker Paint Racks truly redefine convenience in the world of painting, combining functionality, durability, and ease of use into one must-have tool. If you're ready to elevate your next painting project, these racks will ensure the entire process is as effortless as possible. Meet the Sun Joe TJ604E, a powerful and reliable electric garden cultivator designed to make your gardening projects simpler and more efficient. Powered by a strong 13.5 amp motor, this cultivator can easily churn soil up to 16 inches wide and 8 inches deep, perfect for tackling a variety of gardening tasks. Equipped with 6 angled steel blades, it guarantees exceptional productivity and impressive durability, helping you maintain your garden with ease season after season. The Sun Joe TJ604E also offers added convenience with its folding handle, allowing for hassle-free storage and easy transport. The 3-position wheel adjustment is another standout feature, enabling you to customize the height to suit your specific gardening needs. With its thoughtful, efficient design, this cultivator provides unmatched versatility for any gardening enthusiast. This tool is a smart investment for anyone looking to save time, effort, and space, while cultivating their garden with ease and precision. Add a splash of color and magic to your space with the Kickerland Rainbow Maker. This delightful gadget turns any sunny window into a mesmerizing display of light. Equipped with a solar panel, it powers the gentle rotation of 2 crystals, transforming sunlight into vibrant rainbow patches that glide across the room. Watch as it spins like a disco ball, refracting light into dazzling patterns that bring a sense of wonder and whimsy to your surroundings. It's a brilliant blend of science and artistry, perfect for brightening up your day. Prepare to be captivated by the mesmerizing magic of the Vortex Coin Bank. Standing at 16 inches tall, this compact version of the iconic museum coin funnels lets you turn loose change into a hypnotic spectacle. Drop a coin onto the ramp and watch it spin gracefully around the vortex walls, creating a thrilling visual as it spirals downward into the coin chamber. The excitement amplifies when you add multiple coins quickly, creating a dynamic swirl of motion. Beyond its entertainment, this unique bank is a brilliant tool for exploring principles like rotational energy and the law of conservation of energy, combining fun and learning in a way that's simply unforgettable. Looking for a powerful, efficient tool that makes your work faster and easier? Meet the Protmex Cordless Impact Wrench, your new go-to tool for all your heavy-duty tasks. This 1/2-inch impact wrench is designed to deliver top-notch performance with its 3 speed modes, making it faster and more convenient to use than traditional wrenches. Whether you're tightening bolts, working on vehicles, or tackling farm equipment, the Protmex wrench offers a quiet, smooth operation that's up to 60.5% more efficient, with a runtime that lasts 70.5% longer than competitors. Equipped with 2 4.0 amp-hour battery packs, this wrench ensures you can keep working for longer periods without constantly recharging. And with its 517 foot-pounds of torque, it has the power you need to handle tough tasks effortlessly. The built-in LED light is a game-changer for working in dimly lit spaces, so you can see exactly what you're doing, no matter the environment. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, this cordless impact wrench provides the reliability and convenience every professional needs. If you're looking for a tool that's both high-performing and easy to use, the Protmex Cordless Impact Wrench is a premium investment that will make your jobs more efficient and hassle-free.